I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to make a long press on the power button on your Google Pixel device open the power menu. Step 1. Tap to open the Settings app on your Google Pixel. Step 2. Tap System in the menu on this screen. Associated options are displayed. Step 3. Swipe down to the Interaction section and then tap Gestures. If you look at Press and Hold Power button in this menu right now, you'll see that it's set up to access the digital assistant. Going through the next few steps will change it to open a power menu. Step 4. Tap Press and Hold Power button. Step 5. Find the Press and Hold Power button to access section and then tap to select Power menu. Going forward, when you press and hold the power button on your Google Pixel, a power menu will open where you can choose to lock down your device, power off your device, or restart your device. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.